Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video for those that have upgraded to the Windows 10 October 2018 update. If you wish to claim back some of the lost disk space, here's a little thing that you can do. Go into your settings, either by the start menu and clicking on the settings here, or you can also go on the notifications area and click all settings. There you will go into System, go into Storage on the left side of your screen, and check Free Up Space Now. You will have a little delay. It's going to take some time before it actually gives you all of this, but you will have the list of everything that can be removed. If you have a old Windows folder, it's going to show up here, or you can actually put check marks in front of everything you don't want to have. So all you have to do is click this. For example, here, say I want to remove the delivery optimization files, also the recycle bin. So here I'm claiming already 10 gigabytes. So there's a few things like that that you can check out. If you have a Windows.old folder, it's going to show up here and going to say, oh, you've got a lot of stuff in there that you can remove. Some of you have lost some space due to the fact that the old Windows.old folder that contains the previous installation files are still there, and that takes a lot of space on your hard drive. So check it out. You can put check marks in front of everything in here. Just to let you know, it's safe to actually put check marks in pretty much everything here. There's no problem there. These are safe things to remove. Just make sure you're not missing out on any files before you remove everything, because some of the files that you might not have seen in your documents or image or video folder might be in here. But you can actually click remove files after you've checked everything, and it will actually be removing everything off of your hard drive, and you'll reclaim some disk space in the process. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.